Ciao ragazzi, sono Marco Aurelio Fontana and today I'll give you 3 tips on how to set up your cross-country bike. Tip number 1, sit high. Your sit high should be high enough in order to not overload your knee, so bend it too much, and not fully extend your leg. In order to do that, set your crank towards the ground, clip in your pedal, and check your sit high. When it's like this, it's too bent because you're gonna overload the knee. When it's right, the knee gets a little bit bent, but not fully extended and not too low. Tip number 2, body position. Mountain bike is a tough discipline and a tough sport, so we need to have a position that gives us the possibility to push as fast as we can and to ride our bike in the best possible way. So not too short where your body is too straight and not too long where we cannot even ride our bike. So let's set up our bike. This is a good body position. By having a short stem and a low front end, you can charge hard down the hill because you put your weight up front, and at the same time you can push really good on the pedals. Once you know your frame, your size frame, you can find it on bikeflip.com. Tip number 3, tire pressure. Cross-country bikes don't have a lot of suspension work, so tires is kind of a suspension for us. I suggest for a weight like mine, which is 70 kilos, about 1.3, 1.4 bar in the front and 1.5, 1.6 bar in the rear. Now that you know how to set up your cross-country bike, let's go out and ride it.